I'm P. ABHILASH. I have joined Qspiders in the month of December 2024, and I have got uh, job in the month of September 18. My college was Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have completed in the year of 2024 with a percentage of 70 percentage. Uh, I have trained very well so that I can crack a job from the Qspiders. The trainers are very good, and everyone in the Qspiders branch are very good and polite. I have raised many doubts so that they have cleared me very well. And when it comes to the interview, it was of 3 rounds. First round was technical plus aptitude, and second round was face-to-face technical, and third round was face-to-face technical. Uh, they have asked me the duration of first round technical face-to-face was of 30 minutes, and the second round was 50 minutes. In that, the thing what I understood is when you are dealing with different kinds of people, you should not fear, and that fear I have lost while doing the presentation in the Qspiders, and the trainers who pushed me to do these things in the institute so that I can crack a job. Uh, I have a good communication now because of the Qspiders. I have learned many things from the Qspiders. I have lost my stage fear. Everything was good in the Qspiders Institute. Uh, uh, so that I have built a very good career in my life, thanks to the Qspiders Institute and everyone in the Qspiders, including HRs. They were very polite, they were very good, and everyone in the institute are your friends. Means they'll treat you like your friend. When it comes to the institute, they will treat you like they are the trainers. So thank you.